Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a description to a space in Gmail on your PC, featuring the latest updates. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the grid of 9 dots located next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. This will take you to the chat interface where you can manage your spaces. Now, from the left side menu, locate and click on Spaces. Here, you'll see a list of all the spaces you're a part of. Next, enter the space where you want to add a description. Click on the space to open it up. Once you're in, find the space name at the top. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From there, select Space Details. This is where you can manage various aspects of your space. Now, it's time to add your description. In the Space Details window, look for the option to write a description. Here, you can enter any information you'd like to share with your space members. This could be details about the space's purpose, guidelines, or anything else that helps others understand its focus. After you've written your description, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully added a description to your space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Gmail.